You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing character names from DanganRonpa and how to pronounce the name of this manga series, also anime, stay tuned. Japanese pronunciation. Chihiro Fujisaki, Chihiro Fujisaki. In English, the pronunciation is as Chihiro Fujisaki. Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing character names from DanganRonpa and how to pronounce the name of this manga series, also anime, stay tuned. Japanese pronunciation. Chihiro Fujisaki, Chihiro Fujisaki. In English, the pronunciation is as Chihiro Fujisaki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.